Open Canva and click on create a design button. Click on videos and video to create video. Now change the page color. Click on color and I like this black one. Now let's select some video. Go to video tab and search any video you want. I'm going to search game video. I like this one. This one looks good. Right click and set it as background. Now add some text. Add text. Write anything you want here. I'm going to write BGMI, the game. Now let's select some font. I like this one. Now resize this and position this in the middle of the screen. Position, center, middle. Make it bigger and center, middle. Now reduce some transparency of the background to highlight the text. Now make sure text is selected and click on effect, hollow effect. Select this one and reduce the size to make it thinner. Now duplicate this, click on here and on the top. Now click on this neon. Reduce the intensity if you want. Now go to animation, animate and scroll down and select neon. Select character and reduce the intensity if you want. Now your flicker effect is ready. You can use this effect in your video title for your YouTube video or any kind of video you'll like. So I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.